A warm welcome to you all. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to add and remove watermarks from pictures and videos. We'll be using a free software called Watermark Remover. The software will be in the link in description. So I'm going to open it on my desktop. Add watermark to image. I click on drag and drop to add images. I click here. The image I have selected is the one I want to add the watermark to. I open it. On the right hand side you will see text. Then you write what you want. Write dream. I will enlarge it, and you can see drag it and put it in any portion of the picture. I go here, convert. Okay, as you can see, it has been done. So if you want to remove watermark from the image, you get here, you click here, add. Look for the image you want to remove the watermark, and this is the image I want to remove the watermark from. Open it, select the portion you want to remove the watermark, and this is the portion I want to remove the watermark, and then I press convert. Yes. It's going to be converting my picture. As you can see, this is the progress of my picture. Then I click on open folder. My picture, the watermark on my picture has been removed. I go to the picture. So you can see in this picture there is no watermark. So guys, to add a watermark in the video is also very easy. Like I said lastly, you are going to go down here, click on add here, select the video in which I want to add the watermark here. You will see a text here on the right hand side of your video. Click on it, select the portion in which you want to add your watermark. You can extend the box, and then the space provided here, you click. So guys, to remove watermark from a video is very easy, as well as to add the watermark on a video is very easy. So we're going to start by removing watermark from the video. We click here, we select the portion of the video we want to remove it. You can see here on my video, this is the portion in which the watermark is located, and then I will highlight the portion. You can even extend the portion depending on the length of your watermark, and then go down here, convert. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to convert. As you can see down here, this is the progress of my watermark, and you can see here my watermark has finished its conversion. I open the folder. Here you can see a couple of options: font size, bold, if you want. So when you are done with all that, you go down here to convert. Yes, it will be converting until it's done. So now that it is done, guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help me